So this is Sutori. This will have the main page where you can have the stories that you are creating. So when you go and create a story, you can choose from certain type of activities, graphic organizers, English, social studies. So it has the subjects, maybe what you're planning on doing, business plan. So maybe I'll go to so it gives you a little header along with kind of a guide on what you might want to put down for that. So it would have reading the problem, write the equation in your own words, what kind of problem is it? So it gives you a outline of what you might want to expect, or you can add something in between these. So I'm going to cram this in here. I want to add a did you know? And then that pushes everything over here down. So this was originally over here, but since I added this and it added to this side, it bumped it over to here. So it kind of goes every other depending on how far down you have your addition. So this is really good for if you have an actual timeline for history. Other than that, this is more of a presentation mode. And if you're trying to go to somewhere specific on your page, so let's say I created this huge page and I'm like, crap, I don't want to scroll. You go to these dashes over here and let's go down to connections. And then it goes straight down to there, almost like a back to the top type button. And when you're ready to present or see what it would look like to present, you just click that present button. There's a little down arrow on the lower right-hand side. Just continue clicking. It's almost like a PowerPoint presentation. The plus, though, is once you hit the very end.
Okay, here we're going to look at an example involving.
It's going to have your name. So I'm going to go back to one I kind of created slightly. So this one was a vocabulary activity. So it already had a layout of this list. Well, not the list. I had to write in the vocab words I wanted to use. And I had to type it in here. So I would look up a definition, my definition. And the layout of this, I feel, is ideal for someone to get an idea of how to set it up. One of the resources, so you would go to resources that they had that I thought was very helpful, is kind of, so it was social studies English, so you can kind of choose the helpful layouts as you go. So I chose social studies and the Explore. So I say I want to write an Explore report. I might want to go here and get an idea of what I should do. So they have the layout, add a picture, date of birth, add the flag. What was the explorer's goal? So it gives you an idea of what you might want to add into your report. It doesn't give you the report, it just gives you things that you might want to think about to add to your report. And it kind of has it laid out there. Let's go back. So you can also have like quizzes in here. So let me go back to my vocab. Now I want to have a quiz at the end of word 1. I'm going to have a multiple choice quiz. What So this is kind of a terrible example, but so this is kind of a terrible example of this. So then they would quickly answer that. Cool, I got it correct. Or no, I didn't get it correct. As you saw, so I would do edit. I can actually move this throughout here. This is the moving part. Or maybe if I can't see it, I can expand it. But in this case, I'm just going to trash it.